Today, we begin an exciting journey. A team of skilled workers carefully prepares to cut down a massive tree. After cutting the tree, the trunk is divided into large logs. These logs are carefully transported to a wood sawmill. The rough wood is now shaped into straw. Each piece is cut and sanded with care. Precision and craftsmanship ensure the wood is ready to build something special. With the prepared wooden battens, the team begins building beautiful birdhouses, ready to become safe homes for birds. Homes now provide shelter and safety for birds. From a giant tree to cozy bird shelters, a complete transformation with purpose.